Hello everyone, Edwin Jansen here from Archithera. Today I will be showing you our collection of Revit window families, and similar to our door families, they are packed with great features. Let's have a look. Our window families are also fully parametric and highly adaptable to your project requirements. We offer a big range of aluminium framed window configurations, timber framed window configurations, and steel framed window configurations, which include side hung, top hung, bottom hung, sliding, stacking, and fixed panels. We've also added curtain wall window panels, which will adapt to your curtain wall system. So let's have a look at some of the key features that our window families offers. So very similar to the door families, if I click on this aluminium window and I go into edit type, so over here you'll find all the type parameters that we've added for the windows, and you'll see the window frame material and the glass material that you can change, and the opening width, so all your dimensions grouped nicely, opening width, opening height, mullion side offset, bottom transom offset, so you can change all of that and customize your window even further. And then also you'll see the shade parameters added with the default text values for all the windows, so that can be displayed in your schedules. And then when I go down, you'll see the ventilation area and the lighting area is also calculated automatically for the windows. And this also for the ventilation area, that will only be the opening section, so the opening leaves, and the lighting area will only be for the glass area, so it will be excluding the window frame. And then if I go up, so here you'll also see that we've added standard family types, standard family sizes to the window families. So you can either use one of these or you can create your own one just by duplicating. And let's say I want one of 2 meters by 1.8 millimeters. Now I can change my width to 2 meters, my height to 1.8, and I can say OK. There we go. And now I can, if I want to edit it even further, customize it further, I can go my mullion side offset. Let's say I want my mullion 900 millimeters, and my transom, the bottom offset, the transom bottom offset, I want also 900 millimeters. I can say apply, and there you go. You can see I can customize my window even further, and then once I'm happy I can just say OK. Now I can have a look at some of the other window families as well. So if I go to the sliding window, normal sliding window, I go to edit type. So over here you'll find the same parameters, the same type parameters, your material, your dimensions, and then also you've got your opening arrow plan. I'll show you on plan view now, and also your text parameters, your ventilation parameters, lighting parameters. So when I go to plan view, so you can actually, the opening arrows, you can either flip it if you need it on the other side of the window, and you can also go to edit type and change the distance. Let's say I want to change this to 400 millimeters. Apply. Okay, so that's an option. And then also with my stacking window, I can go edit type. Let's say I want to change this to 6 panels. I can say apply. Now it's 6 panels. I can say okay. If I go back to my 3D view, you'll see my 6 panels stacking window, and I can edit it if I want a frameless. So I can just say frameless leaf panel, and I say apply. Okay, and I can say okay. Now finally I can go to this steel window. So this is a fixed steel window, which also has all the parameters, all the dimension parameters, but it also allows you to change the number of muntins that you want in the window. So let's say I want to change this horizontal number to 6, and the vertical number, let's change that to 2. I can say OK. Now I can go to my Archithera template that's also included with the window families. So if I go to my window schedules, I can copy these schedules over, Control C, and I can go back into the other project, Control V. OK. And my window schedule is in, so you'll see this schedule is being grouped according to the type mark, so type A01, and it's also picking up all the fields that's included, all the parameters that's included in our window families. So we can go to schedules, and there's also a door type count schedule, which is a basic schedule just counting each instance of window that we have in the project, with the color that you can add as a text parameter, or the frame, the type of class, the description. And now I can go back to my Archithera template. So over here I can go to my legend views and I can go to my windows. So I'll find my window template, my legend template over here. Control C to copy it. Go back into my other project. Go into the legends, window legends. Control V. I paste it. Okay. Just paste it there. There we go. And now I can go to annotate component, legend component. I can go look for my window. Got this A1. Let's place it there. I can get a front view and I can align it to the top. There you go. Now I can go to my sheet, place my legend on the sheet. Let's put off this, no title. Now I can go to my window schedule, duplicate the schedule, just go rename it so that I only want to show window A01. There we go. And now I go to my fields filter. I just say type mark equals. I can go to the drop down A01. Okay. And now it's only going to show me that A01 window. And I can go back to my sheet and drag it on. And I can play around with this. I'm going to extend this legend view. Just extend it. And there we go.